So let's go back to a weave, and then let's do some traversing turn work. Let's do a right turn 360, but as we do it, turn and move across the stage. And then let's do a left 360, turning and moving across the stage to the left. And then back to the right, and then back to the left, and then back to the right, and then back to the left. I'm doing too many times. And then open it up, and then let's do a chasing the sun right traversing turn. Bum, 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 bum. And then let's do a left traversing turn going back, and then a right traversing turn going back, and a left traversing turn going back, and a right traversing turn going back, and one more time to the left, and one more time to the right, and then come down on the left side, stall your left poi, come into overhand butterfly. Let's do a butterfly turnaround traversing turn. So left out, step, turn right in, left out, step, turn right in. And then when you get to the left side, let's just add a little interest so it's not just butterfly turns. Let's do angel twice. And then, so let's pretend we just got here from the turn. Then what you'll do is you'll turn another 90 degrees. Then go into the 4-petal anti-spin, and we'll do 4 of that. And then 3, 2, 1. And now bring it back down and then turn back into the butterfly and then traverse back to the other side. So you're doing right out, come to other underhand, right out, come to overhand. And then can you turn to the right where your left hand is overhand and your right hand is underhand and do the 4-petal here? Great. Okay, 3 and 2 and 1. Come back down, flip the right one in. Now we'll do a left turn around to the other side. Turn to the left one more time. 4-petal anti-spin. 3 more times. 2 more times. 1 more time. Come back down. Turn into butterfly. Now right turn. Come to the other side and turn one more time to the right. Then 4-petal. 3 more times. 2 more times. Last time, bring it down, right comes into butterfly, left turn, come around, and turn left the next time, 4-petal, 3 more times, 2 more times, 1 more time, come down, flip the left one in, turn to the right, come around, and turn again, 4-petal, 3 more times, 2 more times, last time, and then we'll do last set, bring it back in, turn left, all the way around, then turn to the left wall, go into 4-petal, 3 more times, 2 more times, 1 more time, come back down into butterfly, right turn, and then you're going to turn to your right wall and 4-petal, 3 more times, 2 more times, and last time, come back down. Now move just back up to the center of the room, and then let's do a 2-petal side plane flower here. So bring the left one to the back, right one to the front, and we'll do 2 petals. So they both switch front to back, and front to back, and front to back, and front to back. Come back down, use the butterfly, turn to the other side. Now we're going to do it on this side. So left and front, right and back. 2-petal, and front to back, and front to back, and front to back, and front to back. Come back down, use the butterfly, turn to the other side. 2-petal again. So left goes back, right goes front, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Come back down, turn left, and left goes front, right goes back, and 4-petal. 2-petal, and 3, and 2, and 1. And come back down, use the butterfly to turn back to the other side. Left goes back, right goes front, and 2-petal, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Come back down, use the butterfly to turn to the other side. Left goes front, right goes back, 2-petal, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Bring it down. Now go into the 4-petal anti-spin from here. So 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1 time. Now switch to the 2 petals. Bring left, front, right back, and then go 4 times, and 3 times, and 2 times, and 1 time. Bring it back down. Use the butterfly to turn to the right, Now bring the left back, right front, and 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, and last time bring both poi down. Now go into a 4-petal anti-spin for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Now you're going to switch it to the 2 petals, so bring the left back, right front, and go for 4 times through this, and 3 and 2 and 1. Come back down, use the butterfly, turn to the other side. Now we're going to do the 2 petal for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Now bring it down and change direction. Go into the 4-petal anti-spin for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Now we're going to switch back to the 2-petal for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Come back down, use the butterfly to turn. We're going to do this on the other side. So 2-petal for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Now we're going to do that reversal and go into the 4-petal anti-spin for 4, 3, 2, 1, and do the reversal to the 2-petal for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, and bring it down. Use the 4-petal, use the butterfly to turn to the other side. Okay, now we're going to take it and we're going to cut it into 2s. So do the 2-petal for 2 and 1. Now reverse 4 and second time through. Now reverse again to the 2-petal and 2, and then bring it back down. Use the butterfly to turn. We're going to come to the other side. So 5, 6, 7, and 2-petal for 2 and 1, and then reverse to the 4-petal for 2 times around, and then we're going to reverse to the 2-petal again, and then come back down and use the butterfly to turn, and 5, 6, 7, and 2-petal, 2-petal again. Now 4-petal, second time, and then 2-petal, and 2-petal again, and bring it back down. Use the butterfly, turn, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 2-petal, and again. Now use the reversal 4-petal, second time through the 4-petal, and then we're going to reverse again, and then bring it down and turn, and let's try singles. Although we were doing the reversal into the 4 at the bottom. If we're really trying to do singles, it would be more like this, where you're doing 2-petal, and then you reverse into the 4-petal, then 2-petal, then you reverse into the 4-petal, and you do it at the side position rather than doing it at the bottom position. So let's try that and see. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2-petal, and then reversal to the 4-petal, then 2-petal, and then reversal to the 4-petal, and then 2-petal, and then reversal to the 4-petal, and then 2-petal, oops, and then reversal to the 4-petal, bring it back down to the bottom, use the butterfly, turn around, go to the other side, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2-petal, and reversal to the 4-petal, and 2-petal, and then reversal to the 4-petal, and then 2-petal, and then reversal to the 4-petal, and then 2-petal, and reversal to the 4-petal, and bring it back down, come into butterfly, turn to the left side, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2-petal, reversal to the 4-petal, and 2-petal, reversal to the 4-petal, and 2-petal, and reversal to the 4-petal, and 2-petal, and reversal to the 4-petal, then bring it back down, come into butterfly, turn to the right, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2-petal, and then reverse to the 4-petal, and then 2-petal, and then reverse to the 4-petal, and 2-petal, and then reverse to the 4-petal, and last time 2-petal, and reverse to the 4-petal, and come back down.